How to create a component in Figma. So if you want to quickly go ahead and create a component in Figma, here's how you're going to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to come up here in the resources section, and you're going to go to components. Now, if you don't have any components, you can go ahead and browse any library that you want. So if you can't find any components for yourself, you can simply go ahead and check your project over here. Okay, click this, and that will basically create this component for you. Now, you have all these components over here. But if you want to create one of these components by yourself, you can just do something like that, create a frame and add some things in these frames. And that basically creates a component when you convert it into section. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. These all down here are components as well. And you can create these into variants later on. And you can keep compiling components over here like this. I'm a title, and now if I were to zoom into this, that's a component down there. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.